Welcome to another episode of AI Synergy. Today we're delving into a fascinating study titled The Unbearable Slowness of Being. Why Do We Live at 10 Bits S? By Jieyu Zheng and Marcus Meister.
It's intriguing, isn't it, Julia? Our senses gather data at an astonishing rate of 109 bits per second, yet our brains process only about 10 bits per second. That's quite the paradox.
Absolutely, Sergio. This stark contrast really makes you wonder about the efficiency of our neural systems. Let's break this down for our listeners. Why do you think our brains work this way?
Well, one theory is that our brain has two main modes. The outer brain deals with fast, high-dimensional sensory data, while the inner brain is slower, processing only what's necessary for decision-making and behavior.
That makes sense. It's like a huge filter, isn't it? But why do we need billions of neurons to process just those 10 bits per second?
Great question, Julia. The complexity of the outer brain justifies the large number of neurons needed. But for the inner brain, this is still a mystery. It could be due to the need for flexibility and adaptation in decision-making.
That's fascinating. Another aspect of the study discusses how human behavior is painstakingly slow in comparison to machines. How do the authors approach this?
Jung and Meister suggest that while our peripheral nervous system handles parallel processing, the central cognition remains strictly serial. This is a key reason why machines, which can process in parallel, outperform us in certain tasks.
Interesting. So what implications does this have for the development of AI and neuroprosthetics?
The insights could revolutionize how we design AI systems and neuroprosthetics. If we could emulate the brain's efficient information filtering, future AI might achieve unprecedented levels of complexity and efficiency.
And what about the ethical considerations? Are there any potential challenges or risks with these advancements?
Certainly, Julia. One challenge is ensuring that AI supports rather than replaces human cognition. Another is the risk of relying too much on machines, eroding our cognitive capabilities over time.
Thanks for shedding light on this, Sergio. So to wrap up, the study not only explores a paradox, but also opens up new avenues for neuroscience and AI research. The brain's operation at 10 bits per second might be slow, but it holds endless potential for innovation.
So, Sergio, we've covered quite an interesting study today. It's clear that our brains are designed to filter and prioritize information in a way that's both complex and intriguing.
Indeed, Julia. The key takeaway seems to be the balance our brains strike between processing massive amounts of data and focusing on what's crucial for action and decision-making.
Right? And this has significant implications for AI and neuroprosthetics. Understanding this balance can lead to more sophisticated and efficient technology.
Absolutely. Plus, it highlights the importance of ensuring that AI complements human abilities instead of diminishing them.
And that's a thought-provoking point for our listeners to ponder. How can we make sure that AI enhances rather than detracts from our human experience?
Great question. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to share them with us.
If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to write a positive review.
Please subscribe and like us. It encourages us to bring you more exciting content and helps others discover the show.
Thanks for tuning in. Keep an eye out for more intriguing discussions on future episodes of AI Synergy. Goodbye for now.